Hey there mga momsies! Usapang morning skincare products naman ang aking isi-share on this video. So if you want to know what are these products that I'm using, please keep on watching. Siyempre, the first thing that we need to do is to wash our face, and the cleanser that I am using is from Bure. By the way, the products that I am showing here are not sponsored mga momsies, beke naman. Alright, so as you can see, there are two variants of these products. Actually, there are three, but I only have two. Naubos ko na yung isa. So, etong blue, this is yung Bure Facial Foam Mild. While the other one is the Bure Facial Foam Extra Moist. Most of the time, this is what I use, etong blue. Ito namang orange, yung Extra Moist, I use it after removing my makeup because sometimes it feels na dry yung skin ko. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. And I'm just so happy to know that this is already available in Rostan's Centrio Ayala Mall. So, that means I don't need to buy this overseas na mga momsies because it's available now here in Cagayan de Oro City. Next naman mga momsies is the moisturizer. So I am using two different kinds of moisturizer on the same brand. So first off is itong Olay Collagen Peptide. It is a new product from Olay, and ito ding super serum nila. Now what I love about this super serum is that it's very lightweight, and then when you dispense or when you put it in your face, purplish siya mga momsies. Alam niyo naman how I love purple, di ba? It visibly firms and tightens the skin. It smoothens visible lines and wrinkles. It brightens dull skin for even glow, reduces visible spots and acne marks, long-lasting hydration. So those are the claims of this product, and I love the size because it's very travel-friendly siya mga momsies, okay? And then ito naman, itong collagen peptide has collagen peptide which helps firm for plump-looking skin. It also has niacinamide that strengthens the skin barrier for 24 hours long hydration, and it has SPF 30 moisturizer. So sometimes ginagawa ko mga momsies, I use both. But most of the time, ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko kasi ayaw kong maubos ito agad kasi mahal siya mga momsies. Ayan, practically speaking, ika nga nila. Now, ang last step na ginagawa ko mga momsies at ina-apply ko on my face is of course a sunscreen. It's very important na mga momsies to apply sunscreen, especially pag lumalabas tayo at mainit ang panahon. So I have two products here also, but alternately ginagamit ko din sila, okay? So I have here from Dream Cake and also from Pond's. Itong Dream Cake, I have been using this for like more than a year already. Now, what I love about this product is that maganda yung coverage niya, and also it can be used both on face and body. So, tipid na yun for me mga momsies. And imagine, I have this product with me over a year, and ito talaga inuubos ko na lang siya. But recently, I also discovered this Pond's product. This is their UV Miracle Protect and Repair Bright. Actually, meron silang two variants din nito, but this is what I got because I think this is what my skin needs right now. I also have a separate video unboxing this and a few of the claims of this product mga momsies, so I hope you are able to watch it. So, ayan, those are the products that I am using mga momsies. Again, disclaimer lang, no? These products may or may not work. So, ano man yung current na ginagamit nyo ngayon, just continue using it. Kasi minsan, hiyangan lang din yan. And isipin nyo din that we don't have the same skin types and preferences. So, I'm just sharing this with you mga momsies just in case na naghanap kayo ng mga products na gusto nyong itry. And yeah, I hope this one helps as well. So, let me know in the comment section what other products or what other vlogs that you want me to feature. And don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video mga momsies. Thank you so much for reaching this far. I'll see you on my next one. Godspeed.